Hello friends, if you are trying to download HSBC US bank application but you could not download it because you got an error, just like your device is not compatible with this version. So today we talk about the problem and about this problem and the solution of this problem. So first we talk what is the reason for this error. Okay, so the app may need a certain level of performance that your device can't be provided. Okay, so sometimes developers restrict an app to certain screen size or resolutions to ensure a good user experience. If your screen is too small or has an unusual resolutions, you might see this error. Okay, if your device is several year old and no longer receives OS updates, the issue is usually permanent, meaning the new app simply would not work on that hardware. Okay, it means you should need to replace your device with the latest features. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.